Alright, good morning. Welcome to another video today. This is not a liquidation video. Joaquin Lim's liquidation and Marsh. I'm Alex Fendel. And today, this is a how-to video on how you can write a DVD in these easy steps. So, about this story on DVDs, I have been burning DVDs for years. Today, I'm going to show you how you can write a DVD in these easy steps. So, these are the steps that you will do all this, including adding your burning options, including the DVD label and burning to DVD, and having these sleeves ready, like these guys. So, to start off, you will need your Windows 10 or 11 laptop or computer, a DVD drive, a pack of DVD, break DVDs like DVD plus or minus R's like this, DVD sleeves or cases, and a DVD player to test it out. I have a portable DVD player to test it out. Once you have all these ready, it is time for you to open WinX DVD Awful, which can be downloaded on the website at winxdvd.com. So, to begin, you want to go to Video DVD Offer, create a DVD step by step, and then you can select 4.3 for standard TV or 16.9 for widescreen TVs like flat screen TVs. I'm going to select this widescreen TV, and a DVD menu can also be created, so you will go add your videos and I will go and be back. Alright, so once you have this file ready, I'm going to select this commercial here, which is the promotion for Foods Convenience Store and Gross Cake Steak Sweepstakes. I'm going to open that up, and then it's going to load in anytime now. It's a 1 minute long commercial. So, once you have that, and then it's going to pull you to the menu creator. And you can add text there by selecting your font. So take a Steak Sweeps, and then one maybe go with Times New Roman or any other font. I may select Sky Blue. And then you want to move that font or text. You move that text. And then you add background music. Say for instance, I'm hanging on down to music and then going to the quality point scale to instrumental from Flumes. Once you have the background music ready, and I know that you remote and add a DVD chapter menu, but it's going to be dealt with the next time you make a DVD. So, once you have all that ready, it's going to take you to the DVD section. And I went to a little problem though. Oh, and you may want to put in the DVD real quick before you pull the burning options. So, I have small file DVD-R, and I'm going to put it in. Alright, so once you have the DVD got in, you may want to refresh of what you got. And I may do a test one real quick, so I will be right back with that. Alright, now I have done the little test disc. If you get the disc volume, you may have an actual DVD disc, but next time you buy a DVD, you may should go for example like Kick-Ass Steak or FAASS. That's how you do a disc volume, and then it gives you a DVD information that you have. I have the device, which is the Dell Drive, and then the Widespeed, which is not available at the moment. And it's running and padding all the limits of what you give. So once the DVD is ejected from the DVD drive after it finished running, I'll be testing it in the portable DVD player and showing you how you get it in the sleeve. Oh, and how you even write it using a Sharpie. Alright, so once you have the DVD out and ready, this is the final result. The little thing right there, this is the movie. Now, preferably, I do the Sharpie on that one small by DVD. That's going with. Now, I'm going to put it in the DVD player, and this will be tested out. Yep, this works. So once you're done with the DVD creation, it's time for you to put it into sleeves. So you get a sleeve and then you put this in there. And done. That's how you do a DVD, and that's how you create your movies on one DVD. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this how-to video. Thank you once again for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and the link to the WinX DVD's website will be in the video description below, and that will be it. Stay tuned for the liquidation video.